Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you some meatballs, homemade meatballs, a zucchini on a stick. It's a great recipe and I'm going to share that with you in a few minutes. Today I'm going to be making some delicious meatballs on a skewer. And these are the ingredients I will be using: salt and pepper, oregano, tomatoes, carrots, onion, that's about a third of an onion, and garlic, 2 cloves of garlic, Lawry seasoning, thyme, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and about a third a cup of cheddar cheese, along with my zucchini that I'm gonna cut up, and some wine. I know those people say keto, low carb, don't use any wine or anything like that, but you can use it. It will evaporate, so you'll get a nice flavor from it, but it's still it's no alcohol in it. So let me get started. This is my little mini blender. This is my mini blender over here. I'm gonna go ahead and add my onions, garlic, carrots, and celery in this blender here. You will notice there's some crumbs in there. I just made some jalapenos with stuffed chicken inside of it. So that's what's in there, so it'll be okay. And I'm also gonna add some ketchup to the meatballs. I just added my garlic, celery, onions, and carrots in the blender here. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and add the 1 pound of ground beef in there. Okay, and I'm also gonna add the 1/3 cheddar cheese. Just so you know, the ground beef is 73 lean, 27% fat. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Lawry seasoning. This is that. I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I added 1 egg to the meatballs. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of oregano, and I'm crushing it in my hand. Okay. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of thyme. I added 2 tablespoons of ketchup, the sugar-free ketchup. Okay. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and mix this up. Oh, there's one other ingredient I have to add, is the 1/3 cup of red wine. There it goes. All right. And I'll mix this up. Here are my skewers, and I've been soaking them for an hour. Okay, I chopped up the zucchini. So I'm gonna add some little Lawry seasoning to it, and a little barbecue sauce. Place them in a 350 degrees oven for 50 minutes. I just took them out of the oven and they look delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in another container because this is for a party we are going to tonight if you like this video, subscribe, comment, like, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.